Once upon a time, there was a boy called Aladdin who lived with his poor widowed mother. One evening, a strange man came to visit them. "I am your long-lost uncle, Abanazar," he told Aladdin. He was not really Aladdin's uncle, but the wicked man knew of a magic lamp hidden in a cave, and he wanted to get his hands on it. The enchanted cave could only be entered by an innocent boy, and Abanazar had chosen Aladdin for this job. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today the kids and I are building a fort, and so it's going to be exciting because we're going to get creative and imaginative as we build our fort. Now a fort is like a tent, so basically the kids and I are going to hide in our little tent today and tell each other stories, sing together, and just just chill really. So this will be a very creative activity for kids during lockdown. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I post videos weekly and I would love to have you, yes, you as a viewer. So before I ramble on, let's get into this video. So we're going to start building our fort now. Kids, are you guys ready? Come on. Yeah. Before we start building the fort, I'm just going to take out the chairs and rearrange the table.
I just can't let you go.
Let's put the chair over here.
That I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
Right.
Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.
Help me.
I can't focus. I can't forget. I've been thinking too
And I think
lately. I just need to clear my head.
put the chairs over there.
I just need to clear my
This is our little fort.
I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And you may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. 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 I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to.
So this is the kids' little fort. The light is not really showing. The Christmas light or what I put there is not really showing because it's bright, because it's daytime now. So I'm going to take it out. Let me take it out.
Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head.
Kids, can you show us into your house? Milan, do you want to go sit down in your house?
Of course I do.
I tried to put like Christmas lights for you guys. So it was quite bright today. So Nina is going to show us around her house.
So this is the living room and Milan is sitting on the chair.
Okay.
And this is the bedroom.
Bedroom. Looks really pretty.
This is a plant.
A plant in the back garden.
Yeah, the toilet is back there.
Your toilet is back there.
Yeah, and that's our garden.
Another garden?
Yeah.
You guys have loads of gardens. What's at the back over there? Like a chair?
Yeah, that's a seat.
Okay.
And this is a book for us to read.
Oh, nice.
That would make me happy.
What's making you happy, Milan?
About this.
Oh,
There's Legos.
you like your fort or your Legos?
My Legos.
Nina, guess what I saw on the roof? Can you tell us what's on the roof of your house? I can see the sun.
Oh, yeah.
I can see the sun.
That's cool.
That is cool.
We got sun. We got sun. We got sun. What hello? I love my unicorn.
Your unicorn.
Yeah.
Good.
It's from the slime.
Oh, you've also got slime.
Yeah. I got this.
So when it's nighttime, what are you going to do to your house to close it?
We're gonna put this down and close.
Can you put it down so we can see how you're going to put it down?
So we put it down like this.
Okay.
Then we're gonna sleep inside it.
Yeah, you're gonna sleep inside. This is such a cool house. Can I come and sit down with you guys?
Of course you can.
Okay. So big, I can't even fit in.
Even if it's white. That's my voice.
Oh, is this your car, Milan? Or Chase's car? Or Marshall's car?
That's Rocky's car. No, it's for these. This is Red and Rider. They're both
For Lego.
riders.
They're both riders. Oh, and then we can stargaze because the roof looks like stars. So you guys can stargaze with your binoculars. I can see loads of
Let me
stars.
try. Whoa, I see lots and lots of stars.
Lots of stars.
Yeah.
Oh, this is such a cute fort.
Yeah.
Mm.
Whoa, this slime.
You're playing with slime.
Yeah, I love slime.
Oh. Let's open that up.
This slime is pink and glittery.
This is so nice.
This is so squishy. And it doesn't even make a mess.
Okay, so I'm going to read a story to you guys.
Okay.
So I'm going to read a story to them. Let's see. We just need a short story, nothing serious. Like a really short story. Should we read Aladdin?
Yeah.
Okay, let us read Aladdin. Right. So guys, listen. Once upon a time, there was a boy called Aladdin who lived with his poor widowed mother. One evening, a strange man came to visit them. "I am your long-lost uncle, Abanazar," he told Aladdin. He was not really Aladdin's uncle, but the wicked man knew of a magic lamp hidden in a cave, and he wanted to get his hands on it. The enchanted cave could only be entered by an innocent boy, and Abanazar had chosen Aladdin for this job. Abanazar offered Aladdin a precious ring. Do you guys have a ring? Okay, I've got a ring here. Okay. Abanazar offered Aladdin a precious ring and gave his mother food, so Aladdin agreed to help him. Abanazar took Aladdin to the cave and told him the magic words which would open it. "Open, Sesame!" cried Aladdin. The cave opened, and it didn't take Aladdin long to find the lamp. But when he tried to leave the cave, he found that he was trapped. Aladdin rubbed his hands together to keep warm. At the same time, he rubbed the ring Abanazar had given him. There was a puff of smoke, and to his great astonishment, a genie appeared.
Whoa.
Before his very eyes, for the ring was magic. Wow.
That's
magic
so
ring.
cool.
Oh my goodness.
Goodness.
"What is your wish, oh master?" asked the genie in a deep, booming voice. "Take me home," said Aladdin, who was still clutching the old lamp. When he got home, he polished the lamp and was amazed to see an even more powerful genie appear. With the genie's help, Aladdin became so rich and powerful that he was able to marry a princess. But one day, Abanazar came to visit the princess. He offered her a shiny new lamp in exchange for the old one. The princess didn't know about the genie who lived in the lamp, and so she agreed. Abanazar ran away, taking Aladdin's wife with him. Aladdin could not think what to do until he remembered that he still had his old magic ring. "Help me rescue my wife and get my lamp back," Aladdin commanded the genie of the ring. The genie and Aladdin rescued the princess and brought back the lamp. Aladdin was so pleased, he was so happy that he granted both the genies their freedom. Abanazar never troubled Aladdin and his wife again, and they both lived happily ever after. The end.
That was a great story.
That was a great story of Aladdin. Did you enjoy it, Milan?
I love that story.
Maybe we could have story times in here.
Yeah.
This will be such a great tent for stories, you know?
Yeah. I can sleep in it. It's going to be awesome.
It's going to be awesome. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the story too. This is our little fort
Yeah.
for story time. At least the kids will love this. Like, if I have to tell them stories, we could just build our little fort and share stories together.
Yeah.
Right, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I post videos weekly, and I would love for you guys to be part of my viewers. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.
Bye. Peace out.